Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to another 3 Plus Prestige Mindset Network video. This is a space where we share our daily wins and accomplishments. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. I'm going to be sharing my win of the day with you guys. So let's jump straight into it. My win of the day is all about learning something new and successfully completing it as a team. So, with that said, yesterday we worked on putting together and submitting an estimate for our school project. This was a big win for me. Why? Because it was my first time working on this type of construction estimate from scratch. As I have shared with you guys previously, we did a walkthrough and took measurements of the space where the school would like to do some renovations. The start off estimate was all about the flooring, so it was a flooring estimate. I learned that estimating takes a lot of time, focus, and attention to detail. You have to go through measurements, like I said, understand the scope of work, organize the information, and make sure that everything is accounted for before submitting the final estimate. So we worked yesterday on getting all the numbers, adding, multiplying, getting all the numbers from all the measurements that we got. Since this was a flooring estimate, we had to go and look up like the tiles, the prices, also the baseboard, so it could all be included in this estimate. There were definitely moments when I needed guidance, obviously, because this was my first time doing this from scratch, like I shared with you guys. But with the help of Sam and V, we worked through it together and we successfully completed and submitted the estimates. So the second estimate was the second floor addition that they're planning on doing. So for that, Sam was a little bit more, well, Sam was more dedicated into that because that's a little bit more complicated when it comes to numbers, when it comes to the measurements and stuff, because it will be an additional floor, not necessarily a floor, but an additional yeah, I guess walls and floors that will be needed to add it to a second floor that's already there, if I can explain a little bit. So for me, the biggest win isn't only that we finished the estimates, but that I was able to be part of the whole entire process from the beginning, from walking the property and taking measurements, to helping prepare the estimate and finally sending it in. So we sent them in yesterday. I have to follow up with the school executive director today. So I'm going to be contacting her today, emailing, and also giving her a call because that's part of the process too. So yeah, every project is teaching me something new. And each time I go through the process, I become more and more confident and better prepared for the next one. So obviously, I learn a lot from each project that we do. And this is something that I'm just super, super happy and excited for because it kind of clears up my mind as to why does a project takes longer to start. Why? Like a lot of times people just reach out and think that, oh, okay, I'm going to reach out and tell them, oh, I want to do this, and that. But it takes a few weeks, depending on also when they're planning to start the project. We have to do every single step from scratch. So from the first phone call of contact, we have to get all the information of where, when do you plan to start, what type of work it is, your budget, all of those things matter. So from there, we move on to talking about a walkthrough. After the walkthrough, we check the scope of work and talk to the owners and see what type of work that they would like to do, whether it's an addition, whether it is removing walls, whether it is renovation, whatever the project is. Obviously, everything takes time and it goes by phases. So learning this from scratch, like I said, from the first call from the first mode of contact, that's where I'm starting with this project. So I'm excited to move along and do the next step, learn everything little by little. Obviously, it's going to take time for me to learn everything, but I'm just super, super excited to have started somewhere. So with that said, guys, that is my win of the day, and I'm gonna give myself my aplausos. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. But yeah, guys, that's my biggest win of the day. I'm gonna continue working today on the things that I have on my calendar. But if you would like to share your wins of the day with me, please go ahead and leave me a comment, send me a message. You guys can also call our office. Our office number is 619-202-0679. Or you can also stop by our office. Our address is 3683 University Avenue here in San Diego. And lastly, if you would like to know more about our companies, the things that we do, and follow through with our daily updates, we are active on all of our social media platforms daily, so you can see our projects, the things that we're doing. You might be able to see pictures and their videos of this specific project that I'm sharing with you guys today. So yeah, follow us on all platforms. You can find us as AZH Builders on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. You can find us as 3 Plus Prestige Mindset Network. And please go ahead and follow us. Leave us a comment. Share with us what you would like for us to start sharing with you guys also. But yeah, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for joining another video with the 3 Plus Prestige Mindset Network. Remember to keep working hard towards your goals. Every step, no matter how big or small it is, you are one step closer to your goals. Thank you so much for listening to me, and have a wonderful rest of your day.